I think that the correct answer to be here is to say everywhere and nowhere in particular. It is in the very process of conducting that signal, in the entire cascade of that conducts this information, that the information is stored. It doesn't modify just one point or another point. It modifies everything. It modifies the entire state of a cell, and that it will include phosphorylation of proteins, turning some proteins on, some proteins off, turning on genes, those genes producing products that then go on and modify proteins again, that then go on and turn on other genes. It's loops and feedbacks, positive feedbacks and negative feedbacks, and collectively they modify the cell or an ensemble of cells for a long time, for a longer time than it took you to perturb them in this way. And for as long as that state is modified, we call that a memory. And when it comes back to its natural homeostatic state, we say that the memory is gone. And it might be that some part of that homeostasis has returned to the baseline, but some other part has not returned to the baseline. So it might seem that there is no memory. For example, if we're talking about a behavioral memory, about an animal finding, an escape from a maze, it might seem that the memory is gone, but you retrain the animal and the memory comes back faster and stronger. So it was there somewhere. Something was still modified. It just wasn't immediately obvious. So I think it's wrong to think of memory as something that has a particular place and that sits in there, and when it's there, the memory is present, and when it's gone, it's gone. We need to think of the entire brain as consisting of these moving parts, and every part can move in different directions for different durations of time. And when it moves somewhere, well, the brain thinks differently. And for the time that it thinks differently, we say that that's a memory.